Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening. Hello, friends. Hola. Welcome to the other side of Amoldi today, and today's video is quite interesting once more. Apart from eating avocado fruits, did you know that avocado is an essential DIY recipe for your own natural hair? I thought you should know. So guys, today on this vlog, we are going to share the benefits of avocado oil. And it's not just the oil, it is the real fruit. The raw one. Please watch till the very end. These are the avocado fruits, and I got them at the comfort of my home. Nasema ushago because sisi ni watu hatuishi ushaga, but hizi zilitoka home. Sasa leo I want to take you through the benefits of avocado as a fruit and as a deep conditioning cream, or can I say a deep conditioning paste. And before that, guys, did you know that avocado is used to do away with whiteheads on your skin? As in, you can use this as a mask on your face to do away with the whiteheads. You just have to smash, and then you mask your face, and then you wash after a few minutes, and then this penetrates towards the epidermis. So, oh my goodness, I thought you should know. So apart from that one, we are going to look the third benefit, and of course the second benefit is that it is nutritious. We eat it and we gain some vitamins in our body, and also it is the best staple food together with githeri or mixture if you come from Kenya, my homeland. So today that aside, had to picky food, we are going to use this beautiful. Is there anybody who cannot take avocado? Although I take it, but I take it on caution. My face is oily, so with oily skin, you know we are prone to acne. With controlling the oils on our skin, especially the face, which is super sensitive, I don't take much of this fruit. That explains why I don't take blue band. So guys, these are my avocado fruits. We have just washed them, so ensure you've washed them very well to just avoid bacteria and other infections. So here is another bowl. I'm going to say many kasani, and this is my avocado. Don't mind how they look like inside. They are almost overripe, and this is the side effects of carrying avocado from one place to the next place and then ripening them zinafanya kubondeka. So I'm cutting them. This is one of it. I'm cutting it into two. Here we go. And this is the outcome in the inside. This avocado is purely organic, and it is in a katu blue band. And before we go ahead, let me just say thank you so much for the support. For the new subscribers, welcome to the family. For the returning ones, thank you so much. Asante sana. And if you are new here, please consider subscribing, give me a like, and put your bell notifications on so you get notified in case I post another video. And before watching this video, till the end, please check out the description box and get to know more about me. And welcome to my world. So here I'm just scooping a slash of my avocado in terrain. How I wish I could be able to take like a full avocado, but pimples. Oh my goodness. So scooping just some parts. With the parts that are black, I don't take it because it was almost over ripening. But because the main purpose of scooping this avocado juicy fruit is to use it as a deep conditioner. So we're not aiming so much on a much bigger quantity. We just want a little bit of it. So the process that I'm going to make this avocado as a paste for deep conditioning is the same that you can use when you are to mask your face. Ebu girls, ebu guys, ebu ladies, let us mask our faces and do away with the whitehead so that when we go to the dates, we radiate the skin, we glow the skin. Just do with this do away recipes. You can scrub your face with milk, with this avocado paste, and with the maize flour. You can mix those three together with lemon. Then you scrub your face, do away with those whiteheads. Hatutaki kukaa sijui aje when we go to dates. Let's glow our skin and let's love ourselves. And please get yourself a sunscreen. And also always have a makeup spray. That one will radiate your skin. That aside, leo tunajifunza kuhusu mambo na nywele. So these are Indian nimepata, but I'm doing away with these particles just to make sure what I'm getting is the real thing or the real deal or the real thing. What can I say? And today I'm very happy. So I'm editing this in the night. If you're watching this in the night, please good night. But for me, I am just editing. Aki niko na vlogs mingi za kuedit, guys. It has taken me time to upload again, but tuna bounce back. So please encourage me, give me a like, comment down there below. You can ask me any questions, and please follow me on my socials. So after I've scooped this, with this stage, if you have a blender, you can go ahead and blend this one. But as for me, I'm just smashing it. I'm smashing it one because I don't want my blender to multi-purpose. Easy avocado, there are some of the seeds, there's some of the avocado in seed companies have got tule tools. I don't want my blender to have some issues, but if you get to have fruit that you understand ainanga hizo uzi, you can go ahead and blend. Blending is easier, and also I think smashing is again easy because this fruit is not like a lemon. It's not that rich, that is haina maneno mengi, guys, haina. So here I'm just smashing it to make a very consistent paste so that we can deep condition our hair. And after all this love is over, in my burden shall be lifting as I look upon the mountain of God. Looking over in the city where my Savior is preparing. Give me faith that I shall make it after all. So guys, after smashing it, this is the consistency we are getting. As you can see, it is not yani ni kazi tu kidogo. It is not a task that costs you. It is just time consuming, it is easy to learn, it is motivating, and it is with this paste. Now you can mask your face, or you can again use it to do what? To deep condition your hair. And make sure you check in very well. There's some avocado fruits which have got some thread like particles inside, so make sure you do away with them, because we want to mask our hair. We don't want so much tangles. We need our hair to come up superb. And before this video ends, please watch till the very end, because I'm going to give you the benefits of using this paste. That aside, have you subscribed? Please subscribe. Help me hit 1000 subscribers, please, guys. And watch my videos till the very end, so that we can get to 4000 watch hours. Please, guys, please guys, ninawaomba tafadhali. And please share my video, share to your friends and family. Tell them to come to my channel to watch, and please let them subscribe. Thank you, because you're going to do it. So guys, I think I've reached a point where I feel that the consistency is okay, and now I think the good thing I love about this avocado is that it is a good quality one. So make sure you get an avocado that is of good quality. There's some avocados with no time they turn to be black. So here I am. I have applied it on my hair, and this is the outcome. As you can see, I'm looking like a total messed up woman, total messed up girl. But if you want to look beautiful, then you have to take your time out of the normal thing. Are we together, guys? Are we together? So. This is just the step you can do. Nothing more, nothing else. It is just that very easy. And that aside, guys, let us go to the main thing of today's video. And this is looking on the benefits of avocado fruits. So among other benefits, this fruit can give you hair. It protects your hair from ultraviolet radiation and aiding in hair growth. So let's just have a look on the real benefits. Oh my god. I still believe in you. I still trust in you. That you're working it. That you're doing it. Oh my goodness. I just composed a new song. So guys, it gives your hair strength and moisture. Nobody wants that hair that falls up easily out. So use avocado, and if you want your hair to be super moisturized, then again, this is the real deal. It's extremely rich in oleic acid and fats. It penetrates the hair shaft and moisturizes your hair rather than sitting on the top of your hair. Oh my goodness, it penetrates. That is the real thing. It penetrates. So guys, using avocado as a deep conditioner, I forgot that step of you using a shower cap. You must use a shower cap there. After for 20 minutes, then wash it. It also helps to kill dandruff because of the avocado oil's available and ability of it to quickly penetrate and moisturize the skin. It can relieve dandruff and psoriasis. Massage through the scalp to soothe the skin. I've already told you guys. If you want that natural growth, then why don't mask your face with avocado? Vitutu kidogo is a ujinga, and then you come up here glowing like nobody's business. It also enhances growth. It contains vitamin D, which is crucial for generation of new hair follicles. And so guys, I'm encouraging you to use avocado consistently to encourage hair growth. Kama nywele zako it has reached a point where it is stunted, then it is time to grab that avocado. And did you know that the seeds also are very essential again for your own health, apart from also being a gold mask for your face? So smash those seeds and again use it. So avocado as a whole is just beneficial to us, human beings. It also improves scalp health. The fat in seed avocado is a great solution for individuals with dry and sensitive skin. It penetrates the dermis, providing a deep moisture. So guys, have you just seen the benefits of avocado? So this video is ending here, and please remember to love, spread the love.